Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2023 Subaru XV, stock number 6732. This ran from 3rd 2017 to 6th 2023. Has a FB20C 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door cover, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke heated steering wheel, instrument cluster.